Andrew here, Dr. Detail, DrDetailInc.com. I have a Mercedes here. It's an older wheel. He had hit a brick on the road. I am going to repair this. It's going to look nice. We're going to weld it all up. Beautiful welding. That's what I do. Andrew, Dr. Detail. This is video 1. I'll send you video 2 in a little bit. Thanks. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com by the airport. Hi, Andrew here. I just finished repairing this Mercedes wheel. Had it all done. It was all crashed. It's actually a very hard wheel to get a hold of in a new one. I used, couldn't find any. But we repaired it. I'm just going to put a little bit of paint on it, and she's good. Andrew, DrDetail.com, DrDetailInc.com. This is video 2, before and after, on the Mercedes wheel. We repaired the barrel. It's all done, all welded up. It's good. We'll not have a problem with that. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Video 3 with the coating on it. I forgot to include that. I like to show coating before and after. We use the good coating, not paint, but it's a coating on inside of the barrel on the wheel. Andrew, Dr. Detail, video 3 with it coated, the weld. Thanks. Andrew, DrDetailInc.com.